días me quedé ahí dormido en la playa y así yo soñé que del cielo bajaba un encambre de estrellas y la luna plateada.
Right, so we made it to Buenos Aires. We're currently on our way to this little town called Tigre, taking the train, and heard some good stuff. It's like a little boat town, so see what that's like.
Y dice una cumbiamba que al sonar de tambores sobre el agua giraban las parejas de estrellas.
Exploring for the last few days. I've kind of lost my voice, but we're heading to Uruguay this afternoon for 4 days, and then back here. So I guess it's gonna like cut now. So we made it back to Argentina, but now we're right down south in a place called El Calafate, on our way to the Perito Moreno Glacier. So it's the next day, we're heading out to El Chalten this afternoon, but first we've heard about this little nature reserve, so we're going to go check it out.
What you're looking for won't be found easily. It grows upon the mountain in a secret place. Up beyond the clouds in ancient ground, so they say. And many men have died trekking up that way.
Right, so we're on our way up to Mount Fitzroy, that's the plan at least. And yeah, got about a 4-hour hike. Days and a few hikes later, we are on our way out to Bariloche on a 26-hour bus. So we're in Bariloche. Mission for the day is to try and rent a car, and if the next shot of us in a car, it means we succeeded, and if it's not, then we didn't. So we didn't manage to rent a car, so we've got a tandem bike instead. So we made it out of Bariloche, but not off the bikes. We're currently in the Maipu Valley, just outside of Mendoza, cycling around different vineyards, trying their wine. So let's see how this goes.
Bongo cia cia cia, parlami del Sud America. Quello che dicono laggiù forse è fantasia e nulla più. In testa è bello mettere cappelli a pan di zucchero, con cuore sempre in fremito. Ai 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 ai, chissà, chissà, per mille strade